The Archaeological and Hydro-Archaeological Collection. The archaeological collection presents the rich past of the town of Seigne from prehistory to the Middle Ages. The collection contains thematic parts: prehistory, antiquity, the early Middle Ages, and hydroarchaeology. The holdings of the collection contain several prehistoric items: stone axes, fragments of ceramic vessels, etc. The majority of the collection consists of objects from antiquity, amongst which stand out the monuments of spiritual life expressed in the worship of the various deities and cults in Old Seigne. In addition to stone monuments, parts of architecture of various sizes, purposes, and functions, the collection includes tombstones, altars, stelae, tsipi, reliefs, urns, sculptures of deities, monuments of spiritual life expressed in the worship of various cults in Old Seigne. A significant part of the collection is epigraphic monuments, which are original testimonies of some services and important people from the socio-political and religious life of ancient Seigne. Another significant part is made up of ancient glass objects, which were most often found as grave goods and can be dated from the 1st century BC to the 4th century. A special place is occupied by a late antiquity cephalomorphic glass bottle from the 3rd to 4th century, from a child's grave with the depiction of a child's head. The holdings of the collection also include several Roman lamps, lucernae, which were also found as grave goods or incidental finds. The lamps are stamped with workshop inscriptions: Antimeti, Cassi, Vibiani, and most frequently, Fortis. Part of the collection consists of items from the Middle Ages. It mostly concerns architectural decoration consisting of capitals, consoles, oysters, and similar. In addition to the mentioned objects, a significant part also includes items from the period of the early Christian history of Seigne. Hydroarchaeology. Due to the uncertain weather conditions and the configuration of the terrain, ancient ships were wrecked along the Podvelebit littoral. Evidence of this is the numerous hydroarchaeological findings, amongst which amphorae occupy a most significant place. Amphorae served as a kind of packaging in which the products of viticulture and olive growing, as well as various products and important essential oils, spices, scented liquids, and alike, were stored and transported. Almost all types of amphora are represented on the seabed of the eastern Adriatic coast. By type, we have amphorae of the Greek type, Roman amphorae, and Greco-Italian type. The stamps of the factories that made them were found on some of them, and we can date them from the 3rd century BC to the 5th and 6th centuries AD. In our sea, the most common forms of amphorae of eastern Adriatic provenance, found in Seigne, Sveti Juraj, at Lukovo, Stari Grad Donje, and Karlbag. During transport, the amphorae were always properly sealed with ceramic lids with a handle on the top, and which were soaked with lime, wax, or paraffin in order to adhere as tightly as possible to the walls. In addition to amphorae, finds of small ceramic dishes such as tableware, bowls, plates, jugs, glasses, shallow metal plates, pots, lamps, and roof tiles were also found on the seabed.